Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, there are a lot of things that I learned back in 1994, and then there are a lot of things that I learned when I returned to college, um, say from like 2006 to 2010. But maybe around 2015, I got confirmation on some of those things from Dane Calloway. And it was things that I couldn't really talk about with anybody else because, of course, people would say, oh, you stupid, you crazy, whatever. Um, but not only did I get confirmation, but I've also learned a lot from this brother. So if you haven't seen his channel, I'm just here to make you think. You can visit his website. I'm just here to make you think.com. He also has um, movies he's made. So it's I'm just here to make you think.com/films. But you can find him on YouTube as Dane, Dane Calloway, Calloway. So again, if you're not acquainted with him and you want some truth, this might be a brother that you want to check out. And that's all, because they have my back, he has our back. And that's all I wanted to say. Love y'all. Mwah. Later.